Greetings, code traders. It is Tuesday, November 6th, 2018, and I am back to trading again. Actually, I never have left. I have been doing the charting every day, and I do trade still. I just don't upload them to YouTube as much anymore. It's a lot of work to do it for me, to upload to YouTube all the time. But hope all of you code traders are doing really well. I know you charting subscribers have got to be nailing these trades. Taking a look at the code here. Yep, we're still good. Anyway, I am in a trade and I'm going for 100 ticks here. We'll see if we can get it. A fairly easy day. Could have been easier, but it's a pretty easy day, and hopefully you'll be able to hit this trade right here for 100 ticks. Anyway, hope you traders are doing good out there. You code traders, you should be. If not, you should be using the breakout technique. Doesn't get any easier than that. Anyway, I'll be back. By the way, my exit is set down to 61.21 for 100 ticks. I'll be back. It's getting closer to the exit. About 40 ticks to go here. And I'll be out for 100 ticks. I'll come back. Getting a little closer here to the exit. Still got a little ways to go. Setting a bottom down there, it is a mathematical possibility that it could bounce right there within the code. What I want to see happen is for that to get broken, and then I know for sure that it will continue to go down, because the codes say so. But right now, the code is a possibility. It could bounce. But I'm going to go ahead and take the risk and go for it here. And go for the 100 ticks. But my out will be set to, if it were to go up to 61.85, I would get out. And would actually be a long entry using code 2. Anyway, I will come back. But just to talk about it briefly, I have, of course, been doing the charting service every day, so I chart out the codes every single day. And of course, nobody knows better than me how well the codes are working. And the codes are working very well. Have had some tight days, but overall, the codes are working very well. Of course, even on the tight days, the codes are working. They just don't work for a whole lot of ticks. But every day, the codes have been working extremely well, actually. And it's really quite a remarkable opportunity to make money trading the oil market or any market using the codes. But I obviously like to trade oil and use the code 2 on it. Anyway, just as a side note, I am almost ready to go on camera and to talk more about trading and related things like that that could hopefully, possibly help you with trading. A lot of it is in your head, and your psychology of trading, and I can at least talk about how I've been able to overcome mine. And it might help some of you to overcome yours. Of course, for me, it has been a very long road. I started trading in like 2000, I think, late 2000. But it was definitely 2001 for sure that I started trading, and I've been trading ever since. So it's been quite a few years now. And after a while, you just sort of, I don't know, you just get used to it. Actually, I was already used to risking money every day. Playing blackjack, I actually broke the blackjack code when I was 21 years old. And I was used to risking money every day. And so I already developed skills to deal with that. And the emotions of it, because You know, it's the same thing with trading. You know, you go in, you risk money every day. Same thing with blackjack, you risk money every day. Only with trading, you get to stay home. And if you lose, you still don't have to go anywhere. Whereas if you go to play blackjack, you have to go all the way down there, park, walk into the casino, find a table, go and start playing, then you lose, then you walk all the way back to the parking lot, get back in the car, go all the way back home, and you know, it's a lot harder to deal with, to do that. By the way, just to take a look at the 10-minute here. See, it's possibly putting in a bounce right here. I can't tell right now, but just mathematically speaking, the code does support it could possibly bounce here. I am taking a risk by not getting out, but I would say the math is on my side. Look at the daily. We're sitting close to the bottom of the daily. This is good. 10-minute. First real attempt at a bounce down here. Still got a lot of weakness. And let's go take a look at it more mathematically here. What's that bar good for? 61.31 to 63.32. 200 ticks. 200 tick bar right now. See if it makes it down. It's only 220. Call it 230. Yeah, it should make it. You usually do about 220 to 280. It should make it. And you know, in my charting service, I called this trade to happen, and I said, you know, for it to go down. And I said if it does happen, if the codes do give short entries, to go for a good sized trade, 100 ticks. And anyway, it has done exactly that. Just watching the code here. I will be back in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm going to set a stop to 61.85. That'll be a protective stop. Okay, now, if that stop were to get hit, that would indicate, that would signal a code 2 long entry using a special. So I would actually go long right there if that stop gets hit. And but I don't expect that it's going to. I think it's going to continue to come down, and it's going to go hit my 100 tick exit. I'd say the math on that is pretty good. But again, if it goes up and hits the stop, I will take a long entry. That will be a long entry using a breakout technique using a code 2 special. Looks like it's going to hit the stop here maybe. If it does, I am going to take a long entry. That will be a code 2 long entry. Could get a decent trade out of it. Let me take a look. Yeah, we could get a pretty decent trade out of it. Otherwise, it will come back down again and go break below. It's going to take a little while though. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I now have a long position. The trade is now a code 2 long entry, code 2 special. So I am long. I'm not going to go for 100 ticks though. I'm just going to go for something less than that. Let's go take a look at the daily. Where do you need to go for something a lot less? Let's say about, what's my entry at 61.80? Let's say we could go for about 60 ticks, up to 62.40. Let's take it there. 62.40. $62.40. Okay, that's a 60 tick trade right there. And we do have a code 2 long entry using a code 2 special. So it's going to go up here. Just a question of how far up will it go. That I can't say, I don't know. But I'll go for 60 ticks. The charting has been supporting that this particular code will do 60 ticks or so, or more. So anyway, I'll be back. Trade is moving up here. It went up to 16. Still got a ways to go up to 40 though. But getting closer. Anyway, I will be back shortly. I was just noticing down here, my exit was at 21, and this thing went down to 31, so it came 10 ticks away from my exit before it started bouncing. And I had a 100 tick exit on it. Oh well, close but no cigar. Anyway, this one should be able to make it up to 40 here for the 60 ticks. I will come back. Okay, we're getting close to the exit. Exit is up at 40 for 60 ticks. Getting closer. I'll come back. Almost there, within striking distance now. Okay, here comes the exit. The bid has got to come up to the 40. So this side over here on the left has got to come up to 40 to get me out. Let's see. I may just bail on this trade because I'm very tired. It's 2:13 in the morning here. Yeah, I'm just gonna bail. 2:13 in the morning out here right now, so I'm tired. Anyway, good day again trading the codes. You know, every day is a little bit different. Some days get a little bit tight, but the codes are really, this is put it this way, the codes are all working. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, the codes are like doing really super good, and I'm charting them out every day for all my charting subscribers, and it's not too hard to do pretty well. And I think that oil is going to start really picking up here. As a matter of fact, I think all the markets are picking up. It's great. I mean, we're starting to get some real action everywhere. Even you know, everywhere, like in China and everywhere, all over the world actually. So, but anyway, oil too. You know, I think maybe even gold might start picking up. That would be nice too. You can use code 1 on gold. It's a really good gold code 1 trade for gold. It's fantastic. So, love to see that one pick up too. Anyway, I will be back to do some more trading. Hope you code traders are doing great out there. Happy trading.